Good morning, student. Now, we already discussed in the previous class different formulas and different terms of the arithmetic progressions. Now, today we solve the questions of this exercise. Write the first four terms of the AP. When the first term A and the common difference D as the follows. A is 10 and D is a 10. Now solve this question here. What is the solution of this question? Is a very simple question. बहुत easy question है. अब we know that when the first term right now when the first term A and common difference is D. Clear? Is D. The AP is arithmetic progression is right here A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. How many terms? Right here the four terms. First, second, third and fourth terms. Already here is given that A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. So put the value here. A is 10. A 10 plus 10. 10 plus 2 into 10. And fourth one is 10 plus 3 into 10. This one is 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 20, 30, and 10 plus 30, 40. This one you will answer 10, 20, 30 and 40. Clear? Now, here is their second part. Second part here is given. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 3. Now solve here. Your four terms are given here. A, this one is the second. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Now here is given here, given A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Now put the value of these 2. Now A is equal to 4 plus and D's values minus 3. This one is the second. A plus A means 4 plus 2 and D's values minus 3. This one is the first, second, third and the fourth one is A 4 plus 3 and D's values minus 3. Now solve that one. This one is a single 4 plus minus multiplication here is a minus or 4 minus 3. This one is right now 4 minus 3 and this one is the 4 plus minus and 2 into 3 6. Clear? 2 into 3 6. Clear? And now here 4 plus minus 3 3 is a 9. Clear? So what we get here 4. Here is a 1. Here is minus 1 is greater, so we find here minus 2 and here is minus 5. This one is your answer. 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Clear? Now this next question here, we discuss here next question. Now discuss another question of this exercise. Same question, this just like the first question. Here is given that write the first three terms of the APs when A and D are given below. A's values 1 by 2 and D's value is minus 1 by 6, and second part A is equal to 1 by under root 2 and D's value D difference is 1 by under root 2. Now look at how to solve that. Only here is the calculation problem. Rest of the same question number first here. Now solution. आप लोग जो कैलकुलेशन से भागते भी हैं. Now here is given that when first term A and common difference is D. Clear? Now the first let the first three terms terms of APs A plus D, A plus 2D. These are terms of APs. Now here see that A is here given that 1 by 2 A plus D, A plus 2D. So A is given here 1 by 2. A is given 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6. Clear? And plus A is 1 by 2 plus 2 and D's values common difference is 1 by 6. Now solve here. This one is how to solve this one. Look that this value is only 1 by 2 and this one will solve 1 by 2. Here is the positive sign and here is the negative. Positive and negative multiplication, negative 1 by 6, second portion, and third one is 1 by 2. Here is the positive and here is negative. Positive negative multiplication, negative, and 2 by 6 here. Clear? Now look that here. First term is 1 by 2. Is it clear? And this one here is LCM. We get here the 6. LCM here is a 6. And right now 2, 3 is 6. 3 into 1, 3. 6 divided by 6 we get 1. 1 is multiplied in numerator 1. Clear? And next here is also LCM is 6. 2, 3 is 6 and 3 into 1, 3. 6 divided by 6 we get 1. 1 into multiplied in numerator 2. Clear? So what we get here? 1 by 2 and here is 2 by 6 and here is 1 by 6. 3 minus 2, 1 by 6, and this one is right now 1 by 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. Your answer. It's your answer. Clear? Your answer. These three terms of AP. Now solve the second portion of this question. This one is clear. Now see the second portion of this question. Second portion of this question here. Well, here is there is three terms A plus D, A plus 2D, and A's values given here is given a is equal to 1 by under root 2 and difference is 1 by under root 2. Find three terms of the APs here. Now here put the value of a 1 by under root 2, clear, and this one under root 2 plus 1 by under root 2. Second, third one 1 by under root 2 plus 2 into 1 by under root 2. This one is clear, and we find here 1 by under root 2, and here is, see that their denominator is the same, so this one is the right, 2 by under root 2, and here is, this one is the 2, denominator same, 1 plus 2 under root 2, so this one is right, 1 by under root 2 and 2 by under root 2, and this one is 3 by under root 2. This one is your answer. This one is your answer. Clear? Now we discuss the next question of this exercise. Now discuss your third question here. Third question here is given. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. Clear? इसमें ये कह रहा है कि अगर ये AP है, first we check that these terms are AP or not. If they are APs, to find next three more terms. Find the next three more terms. Now we'll see that. First we check that first one, this one is AP or not. So see the solution here. Here is given that 2, 4, 8, 16. Clear? Now this one is A1. A1 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 4. A3 is equal to 8. And A4 is equal to 16. Now we find the common difference. If the common difference are the same, then say that this one is a AP. Otherwise it's not a AP. Find the common difference. D is equal to, the common difference we find that D, so A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So what we get here, A2 minus A1, A2 is given that 4 and A1 is given here is 2. So we get here 2. So D1 is given here. First common difference we find this one is a 2. And let's check the other here. Find here. D2 find here. Second is here. A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. A4 is given that A4. Sorry, let here A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is given here 8 and A2 is given here is a 4. So D2 is given that 4. We know that D1 and D2 are different values. D1 is a 2 and D2 is a 4. In एक ही APs में अगर common differences different आ रहा है तो this one is not a AP terms. Clear? Hence the given list or the number right here. Hence the given list of a number, given list of a number, given list of a number is not a, does not form of AP, does not fall of AP। जब AP में नहीं है तो नेक्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स फाइंड करने की कोई सवाल ही नहीं होता। क्लियर? नाउ solve this question is the second part. Look that we solve here the second part of this question here. Second question is given here. Second question is given. What is given here? 2 5 by 2 3 7 by 2 up to so on. Here this one is a given. This one is a given list of a number. First we check out this one is a this one is in the form of AP or not. First we find. Clear? So A1 is given here 2, A2 is given here 5 by 2, and A3 is given here 3, and A4 is given here 7 by 2. Find the common difference of this one here. D1 is equal to A2 minus A1. Find the A2 minus A1. First we check here. A2 is given 5 by 2 and A1 is given here 2. So here is, get here the LCM, 2, 5, and this one is a 4. So we get here 1 by 2. So D1 here we find, D1 is find here, first common difference we get here 1 by 2. Check and next one is here, find the second common, second difference, common difference of this. Now find here A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2, so we get here A3. A3 is given here 3 and A2 is given here 5 by 2. Clear? So now here is to find that here LCM is 2 and divided by 1, 1 2s are 2 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 5 divided 2 divided to 1, 1 into 5, 5. We get 1 by 2. It's proven that D1 is equal to D2. D1 is equal to D2. Say that this is the form of AP. Clear? And find the next. Can you erase this portion? Find next 3 terms of this AP. How to solve this? This one is clear. D1 is equal to DT. So say that this list of this number is in the form of AP because their common difference are same. Already here is given that A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 5 by 2, A3 is equal to 3, and A4 is equal to 7 by 2. So what find? A5, A6, A7. And we know we already find the common difference, D 1 by 2. Clear? Now find A5. A5, we get here, what we write here? First we get here, that is the first one. A4 plus D. A5, A4 plus D. Find here A4 plus D. So A4 is given here 7 by 2. A4 is given here 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 and plus D's common difference is given 1 by 2. So this one is the sum. Common differences are their denominator are same, so we multiply same, added this 8 by 2. We get here this is a 4. We find A5 is the 4. A5 is the 4. Clear? Now find the next A6. A6 here. We find here A6. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 plus D. And we already find the A5. A5 is find that here is the 4. 4 plus and D's common difference is 2. Now we solve that portion. Here is LCM 2. 8 plus 1. Find that 9 by 2. A6 is a 9 by 2. Clear? A6 is a 9 by 2. And find A7. Last three, find the three last terms of the A7. A7 is a A6 plus D. A6 we find here 9 by 2 and plus D is given here 1 by 2. Their denominator is same. 9 plus 1. This one is a 10. 10 by 2. So we get here is the 5. So we find that three more terms of this one is a 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Your answer. Clear?